Welcome to Lackamas Elementary and the 110-year anniversary. Let's go inside and check it out. On that stage, you said?
When did it come out? 1944, 43, whatever White Christmas was written. That's the year I sang it up there. We always had our Christmas programs here. There was a whole 16 of us here going to school.
What grade were you in?
I was probably the second grade. Yeah, I started in 1940, so it's probably 1942, 43.
1942, 43.
Yeah, this school was only 28 years old when I started.
Back when the original school was built, Dillard said that their budget was $1,000, $600 for the teacher for a year, and then $400 for wood for the fireplace. And that was their whole budget, $1,000. What's really cool is the way they've preserved the character of the building, but yet it still, you know, meets the needs of our kids today.
So they made comic strips like if they were a student in 1914.
Oh, that's awesome.
This is supposed to be going on.
That is awesome.
Gave them pictures of like Lackamas, old pictures.